This is very great day, man. Very great day. Look up to the views. Look up to the view, man. I'm here trying to save the camera, man. Okay, look. Oh, it's great. OK， 我想说一定在中国，这个我真嘛在买了票，在这里，这我schon在哪呢？Natürlich will ich auch so sagen, dass das Regen hier ausregend viel. Also für mich ist sehr gut, natürlich auch sehr kühl, das glaube ich. Aber was noch? Ich will auch zu sagen, dass ich glaube eher, come possiamo dire, molto importante per me, molto credibile per ricevere informazioni acerca di culture, acerca di condizioni in generale, la meteo, tutti. Possiamo dire molto bene, per me si piace. Es ist molto kalt, sehr kalt, das was ich mache hier. Sehr kalt, bro. I will just here take a look up the views, man. Standing up in my view here, man. Look up to the views. It's so bad, man. That's very interesting. I'll wait for you, Russian man. We are just hearing it out. I'm just gonna be waiting for your video. App speaking your Russian. Куда мне можешь наговорить языка? Что научал меня? Что также? Okay, I'll just conclude this video up here, man. Up to the rain. And everything is good, cool. Everything is beautiful. Out of the city we are. Okay. Take care.